play batter up. Okay, there he goes. Stop. Draw. Drop. Come on.
There it is, got it.
Come on, let's go. Drop, roll, go. Run. Come on, Gizmo. Drop, roll, go. Batter up. Oh, another short ball. Come on, run. Drop, roll, go. Run. Quick. Come on, show that hustle. Oh. Run, quick. Let's go. Drop, roll, go. Oh, first base. Come on, run. Drop, roll, go. Another first base. Jeez, come on, let's go. Can't get behind the outfield. Let's go into the right field. Attaboy. Let's go. Run. Quick. Oh, these are short balls.
What's with you, Grandma?
Come on. Okay, let's get some longer balls. Okay. No, they're just not bouncing. They're like... Okay, fly ball. Way out there in the outfield. Outfield. Okay, let's go. Run. Drop, roll, go. You're slowing down. Okay, we're by the dugout. Dugout.
By the dugout.
Use the nose. Okay, come on. Last ball of the game. Big one. Jeez. Okay, come on. All right, good game.
Good game, Gizmo.
That was a weird game.
Good game. I don't know. I've seen you hustle more, but it'll do.